Welcome to this video tutorial on how to set up your project. First, what you want to do is open up the program Adobe Premiere and then set up a new project. And then what you want to do is then name your project. So I'm just going to call it Setting Up Project. And then you want to choose your file location by clicking Browse. And then choose where you want to save your project. I'm going to set up a U folder just for this. So it's good when setting up your project to set up a folder dedicated for that project. And then within that project you will usually have all your movie files, all your audio files, and then your project itself, and then any sort of graphics or any other content you may need for your project. So the reason you want to set up your project and keep everything within one folder is so if you ever move location, say for example you want to work from home, or you want to move your project from home to work, then you want to make sure everything is in that folder. So you can simply copy and paste the folder onto a hard drive or USB, and then all you need is your hard drive and USB when you get to work or home, and you've got everything you need to carry on your project. Okay, so I'm going to click Choose. So now you want to do scratch disks, and you want to make sure everything has got Same As Project. You can easily click the drop down menu and then click Same As Project. So then by clicking Same As Project, you are making sure anything you do within Premiere keeps within the same folder as your project. And now click OK. And now what you want to do once you have created your project, now what you want to do now you've set up your project is to create a bin for footage, a bin for audio, and then a bin for sequences. And I would say those are the three main bins any project is going to have, but then it's also good to create a bin for anything else you may bring into the project. For example, any graphics, or if you create any titles, it's good to have a bin for titles. And also if you bring in music, it's good to have a bin for music. And the reason you do that is just so you keep very organized. And so for example, if you want to find a specific bit of footage, or if you want to find a specific file in your project, it's just easy to quickly find that file. So once you've set up your bins, that's when you want to start importing all your content. So once you go to footage, so for example I want to now import a video clip, you want to then either double click footage and it will open up a separate window for footage, or if you want to keep it within the same window, you can hold down Command on Apple or Control on Windows, and it will then open it up within the same window. And then you can then import your content by right clicking in the space and then import. Then find where your video clips are, and then select or highlight all of the clips you want to import. Either click import or press return. Now go through all of your different types of content and import for relevant content. So for example here, I'm now going to import audio. And I would say that's all you need for now in regards to setting up your project. The next step would be to start editing.